Full cup. Full pigeons. Oh, Pidgeys. How are you doing today? Has the rain let up a little bit? Oh, where you going, guys? There was just some drop-ins that were about to land, and they spooked them. They were like, those pigeons are flying, I better fly. Yeah, guys, come on. That is some good formation right there. Right around the birch tree. Yeah, come on in. Come on in, guys. I know you're putting on a good show right now. But I got a full bowl. There's so much bird seed down here. Yeah, come on, guys. Come on, rooks. Here. We got enough for everybody today. I'll back up and let you get that. Ooh, again. Again. Well, let's try this over here. Man, you guys are doing some great flying today. Seriously. Formation is on point. They're almost syncing up their wings. Guys, bam, fat pile right there. It's almost changed the color of the grass. Look at all those little pigeon heads. Yeah, come down and eat, pigeons. There's a pile there, there's a pile there. Ooh, my neighbors have fed them too. Man, that is a super pile. I don't know what a super pile is, but that is what it looks like. 2 super piles. Oh, there's Jimmy. It's not Johnny, that's Jimmy. He's on the end. He's running to the other pile. The beautiful pigeon. Oh, man. This video is a good one. There's Joey right there. We got Jimmy and Joey and the beautiful pigeon. Wilma! Wilma! I don't see Wilma. We have... Oh, there's a drop-in. Got a drop-in coming. We have not spotted Wilma since she has been just so dirty. Oh, there's a hummingbird right up there. You can barely see him right there. Oh, hummingbird, hummingbird in the tree. How many bird feeders do you need? He's got 1, 2, 3 bird feeders in the front. And here he goes to feed right now. A little bonus action. And now he's over on that tree. Can't see him too far away. Beautiful pigeon is making a run for it. Man, this is some good footage today. Jimmy, Johnny, the beautiful pigeon. If we could just get Wilma over here, we would have a complete crew. I just happen to be standing under this birch tree. It's got big old water droplets coming off. Hummingbird's back. Get some of that action. So, pigeons, is it getting cold out yet? The normal answer would be yes, but today it's actually not too bad. And by cold, I mean I live in Washington State here in America. It's not that cold. Probably like 50 degrees right now. Which is actually quite beautiful. It will get as low as what? Probably all the way down to 30? 25? Fahrenheit? Not that cold. I come from North Dakota. I have seen 50 below, 40 below, 30 below. Not a problem. So I do like Washington. Man, right now these birds are just in chill mode. Get a different angle over here. How you doing, Mr. Beautiful? He's in the back right there on the first pile. Tell by all his white patching. Oh, we got 2 hummingbirds now. There's the red-chested hummingbird and A little sparrow up in the tree now. Little rook. Can barely see at the top. And Mr. Beautiful keeps going back and forth between the piles. And they haven't even touched this pile over here. I mean, look at my grass. These pigeons have taken it to work. It is being beat. But you guys are worth it. And in the morning, it is just so much easier to feed them in my yard because I don't have to walk through the wet grass before I get in my car. Whew. These pigeons are just chilling. Just chilling. It's because there's so much food over here right now that there's no reason to move. And there's a hummingbird right there on the end of that branch. You can barely see because it's thicker than all the other branches at the end. He's just talking. And that is a hummingbird sound. Hopefully that came through. Yep, there he goes. And there he goes again. It is raining out, but that doesn't mean nothing to the birds. Or I guess me. Well, pigeons, you guys aren't doing nothing. Just eating like you're supposed to. Oh, that pile must be diminishing. The beautiful pigeon is left picking there by the last handful of birds. I would say they're going to migrate over to this pile soon. He is still my favorite pigeon. Wilma is the best leader. Which if Wilma was here, they'd all be over here right now cleaning this. But she's not. We still have the one new rook up there at the top. Come on down, rook. Are you a little feather neck? He's like, no, I'm just a little baby. Tiny little baby. Man, we got some twirling in the back over there, in the far back. Yeah, he's putting on a show. Got his neck all out, puffed. Yeah. Never time to slow down for pigeon love. Well, guys, don't tell me I'm just going to have to end it here in a minute. Why don't you guys fly over? Yeah, there we go. Oh, it was a failed landing. You can't land on the wheel. Let's see. If I walk over here, will they follow? Will they follow? This is going to be a definite no. But maybe if I give them some space. Well, the rook finally came down. Yeah, here we go. We got some action. We got some action. Mr. Beautiful's still over there. These guys are like, oh, snap. Look at all this food. Come on over, guys. Mr. Beautiful's holding out. He's in there deep, picking hard. Meanwhile, these guys are having a small feast. And will he be the last one? Nope, second to last. There's Mr. Beautiful. Come on in for the landing to clean it up. Nobody left over there. Even the rook has come out. There's a little hole. Hey, you guys. I'm going to go in now. You guys clean up this pile. Tell Wilma I said hi. Any other pigeons you want to talk to here real quick? Any other pigeon shout-outs? You guys know? Your cousins anywhere? Alright, say goodbye. Alright, everybody. Thanks for coming to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. I have been so busy lately, but I'm still making an effort on YouTube here, at least on the weekends. So don't give up on me, and I will see you soon. I appreciate you guys. Happy flying.